Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change your username on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Telegram app and tap on this three-line icon to the upper left corner and tap on your profile photo, and here you'll find your username, so tap on that. And now you can change your username here, and if the name is available, you see here the green text and then tap on done. So this is how we can change username on Telegram Messenger. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.